unexpected. Not only immediately in the box, but immediately in the box under the paper. I really thought this whole like cat in a box thing was sort of like a joke. Like I didn't think it was real. I didn't think cats really did this. Again, remember, we are not cat people. We've never been cat people. So every cat experience for us is new. We didn't know that if you literally got any box, the cat was gonna go right in it. Balfour. Balfour. Is it Balfour? Is it bitty bitty Balfour? Yeah. Can you tell him how tiny you are? You're so small. Your brother is like 2 times bigger than you, and you're just a bitty bitty girl. Yeah. Are you bitty baby in a box? Bitty Balfour in a box? Silly. You silly.
Okay, Lane's ready.
I'm ready.
So you're doing a Zoom call?
Apparently.
She's setting up her new point of sale system with her evil assistant, yes.
I absolutely look like the villain in this story.
James Bones. Mr. Bones. We do say Mr. Bones quite a lot. Yeah. So he is here to learn.
He's learning how to help Mama.
He's going to work in the store and judge people.
Yeah.
Yeah. You look stupid in that dress. I think you look stupid.
Bones thinks
Buy it
everybody
anyway.
looks stupid in everything.
Everybody looks stupid in everything.
It's just floating.
Yeah. You know, we'll sell every dress with a little cat hair.
Little kitty glitter.
Yeah. That will be a bonus.
Yeah, it's a bonesis.
A bones is this. Bones is this.
Are you bonesis?
Yeah.
Are you the most ironically named cat in the history of ironically named cats?
Well, I am now. You fed me too much, lady.
Yeah. You're my boy.
Yeah, I thought about kissing you, but no.
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 No kisses for you.
No. You learn the system and then you get kisses. So I didn't show you guys the after. Here is my wall after. Got 2 coats of primer and then a coat of paint. And blends in really well. Can never tell the graffiti was there, so we're good. I'm gonna let Lane tell you a little bit more about why we decided to say goodbye to the graffiti. Dresses. Is this the opposite of home restoration? I feel like it might be.
So when I invited you to come work at the dress store with me, is this exactly what you'd envisioned?
This is exactly what I thought it'd be.
Is this exactly what you'd hoped for?
This is really the luxury and the glamour that I was anticipating.
Let me see your hands. Show me your hands. This is the first time you've done paper mache though, right? So it's really about giving you new and exciting life experiences.
See, life experience. Now if somebody's like, I need paper mache, I know how to do paper mache.
You can step right up and do it. She's ready to go. Learning all the skills.
All of them.
She's learning new skills that she needs in life. This is better than college, really.
I said, if anybody needs paper mache,
She's your girl.
She is your girl,
She's ready.
so.
But as her aunt who was there when she entered this world, literally I was present in the room myself when she entered the world.
This is nice.
Looking at another house with Ethan today. Got a little phone nook, which is kind of cool.
Look at all the
This
windows
one's
in
this one's got some original, so yeah, a little sunroom back here, I
probably
guess.
want to toss all those windows, but that's okay. Okay, there's
Big closet.
All the shades, you mean?
Why is there a gas line in the closet?
It probably wasn't a closet originally.
I wonder if they put like, because I have an old gas refrigerator. Oh, there it is. Oh, there's my attic access. Up I go.
Does it have a ladder?
Nope, but that. Oh!
It's blown in. Come on.
I wouldn't do that.
Things you find interesting.
I do find
He,
that
he sees remnants of an old clothesline.
old clothesline over
Washer dryer
here.
in the kitchen.
Yeah, the washer dryer in the kitchen.
That is the first I have ever heard. Here's your key. You want to check that out? I think that's the key. I have.
And he's dying to get in this.
Oh well, never mind.
Might live in here.
The nicest part of the house.
Yeah, the nicest part of the house. It's originally a pretty green color.
Oh,
And they tauped it up.
No, sir, thank you very much. Bye. Look at that.
They tauped it up.
Look at that. It's stunning.
Yeah, that's a pretty
I
color.
love that color.
Yeah,
Oh, man. Oh, my God. And I think they did latex over oil because that just...
Probably.
just drop right off. Chick-fil-A. There's Audrey having some salad, Chick-fil-A. Ethan came to visit us. Sorry, they're trying to have normal conversation and I'm hogging it by video and everything.
When the building was first built, of course. Oh, sorry.
I told you latex.
We are at the very end, right, fellas?
Back to 2010.
They're paying no attention to me at all.
Hello.
I said we're at the very end. I'm documenting the very end.
Well, actually, there's...
It's close. Till your skin came like, oh no, now you have to play with the dresses.
Which one do you want to see?
The brown one is my favorite. Pull out that dark brown one back there.
Oh, really?
Uh-huh. Look at that.
Well, I like Cinderella.
You like Cinderella?
Yeah.
Well, Cinderella I've got for you.
Yeah. And, oh, that's pretty.
Yeah,
That is
isn't that
so,
fabulous?
That is so, somebody in a old cabaret.
Yeah.
singing.
So they need to be steamed, obviously, but I know, isn't it fabulous? You can see why I was this excited for these boxes today. Okay, bye.
Oh, bye.
Big moment. It's happening. There should be some kind of like theme music that goes along with this.
Drum rolls and cymbals. All kinds
Someone
of
needs
things.
to beat the bass drum or something.
This is about beating me.
How many days did this take?
I think I worked on it 4 days. Or maybe more, I don't know. I can't remember. I'm kind of gone blur.
The length of a Bible. We're just going to say it's been worked on for the length of a Bible.
Yes. But praise the Lord.
It is
Done.
done! Yay! All cleaned off thanks to Papa Restoration. Oh, love it. Gone, gone, gone. Hooray!
There he is. Okay, what is it? We got another package.
I don't know for sure that that's what this is, but if it is,
Our 20th of the last 3 days.
it's a box in a box. It is. Well, you know, I'm doing the Nile, right? I have the whole Nile in the window.
Yes.
And you can't have the Nile
Is it a little crocodile?
without a crocodile.
Ah! That is awesome.
Ethan just fell out.
That is the best.
So go ahead and crocodile.
Ethan, is that an alligator or a crocodile? I think it's an alligator. It's an alligator.
but
No, it's not.
he's kind of a skinny nose.
I'm about to say, yeah, he's got a skinny enough nose that you could pass that as a crocodile.
Yeah, we
it
think-
says that it's
Ethan's from Florida. He understands crocodiles.
Yeah, it says alligator, but when I thought, look, this is for the Nile.
How are we going to make it look like he's
No,
in the
he's
water?
He's got his head stuck up.
Oh.
Yeah,
So
I love it.
That is so...
Another late night, y'all. Following the missus home, and I'm headed to Natchez tomorrow, so it's going to be hard being away from the missus. We're always together. Driving off into the sunset. But sometimes you got to do what you got to do. So that's what we got to do. Told them we were burning the midnight oil.
We are burning the midnight oil. We're just
You
a
can
couple-
kinda see us.
Look, we're a couple old people sitting on the porch together in our rocking chairs.
Yeah. Well, we
That's
look.
how old we are.
We got to get in sync though. There we go. Forward.
Oh, forward.
Back.
Backward.
There we go. That's better.
Think
All
we'll
right.
even be able to tell we're rocking if we're in sync though?
I don't know. Maybe not.
Okay, so I've had a nervous breakdown. A little bit. Other than the fact that you're leaving. I'm having an absolute nervous breakdown that you're leaving.
Y'all need to pray for a brother and a sister.
I told them on Instagram just a little while ago that we were married for 10 years before we spent a single night apart.
That's true.
10 years before we spent a night apart. And we don't do apart.
No,
So we are not,
we go together like a shamalama ding dong.
yep, like peas and carrots.
Yeah.
So we're not happy about this. So that's one of the things we're having a nervous breakdown over. The other thing we're having a nervous breakdown over is today I needed like to do the crafts.
Mhm.
One of the things I was going to have to do was run around a million places and
Uh-huh.
run errands,
Yeah.
right?
And
And
our-
get all the things.
And our niece, who is 6,
He was a baby. I did talk about that because I talked about the fact that I was in the room when she came out.
Yes.
I was able to send her a list. Like I sent a list and she was like, "No, I got you." And then she went and got all the things
in a car.
and brought them to the store.
That's crazy.
And we then did crafts together. But she like went and got things. Like I'm not okay.
Yeah.
I'm not okay. I
mean,
mean, like
it's
it's
handy,
great.
though.
It was fantastic.
Yeah.
But also I'm not okay.
Well, I think it's weird that she's getting older and we get younger.
I know, that is
That's
weird,
what's
isn't it?
really weird about that. All right, so the other thing you were going to tell me that we keep forgetting to talk about was our graffiti wall that I completely covered up yesterday.
Yeah, you talked about it a little bit, but I think it's only right that we go ahead and discuss it. So I got an email from the girl who did, the young lady, I shouldn't call her girl, she's a woman with children, who did the graffiti wall. And she was very hurt that she spoke disparagingly about her graffiti wall.
Be
Look,
dissing her wall.
we were dissing her wall. Here's the thing. I think for one thing, we all need to consider that art is subjective. Things that to some people are very beautiful, to other people are not.
Well, I mean, it was really good graffiti wall, just
yes, but yeah, I'm getting to that point.
Yeah,
So
okay, that's
when
good.
I designed the store to look like a extremely high-end, elegant, chic experience.
Oh, somebody's
store.
walking by our house.
Oh, how dare
Y'all.
they? How dare
And
they?
I tell you what,
Oh my goodness.
I told y'all I'm about to leave to go back to Natchez, and Lane's going to be here, but she's got some killer dogs
Like
with her.
seriously, I'm not worried
I
at all
would
about
not
being by myself.
even
No,
mess with
no,
her.
No,
Okay,
I
so-
am not in any danger. Anyway, the feel of the store was designed to be very couture. The gowns are couture. The experience was couture. The look was couture. A graffiti wall does not go with the look and feel of how the store was designed. And so in that space, it was not good. It would have been great for a senior high school dance backdrop. I'm trying to give it some great, I mean, like it was really well done
Yes.
for a graffiti wall, but a graffiti wall was not appropriate for the store. It was what the young woman who was buying the store for me wanted for, and that's great that that's what she wanted.
She gave her exactly what she wanted, so
But
that's
that's
she
not what
succeeded.
I want in my store, and it's not how I designed my store. And so now that it is my store again, we are going back to my feel.
That's right.
Which is a very exclusive
Yeah.
experience, but at a price point anybody can shop.
And
at.
what I said was the idea of having a place to take your photo
Yeah.
is a very good idea. Just that's not the style.
not for me.
No. And you might do something. Are you going to do something like
I haven't decided yet. There are too
whether
many
you will-
decisions to be made.
Yeah, you used to take a picture with everyone who bought a dress
In front of the
in
blue
front
wall.
of the iconic round blue wall.
Right. Where the crown looked like it was over their head. But I don't know. I mean, again, I have to very carefully consider what that would be, because I would want it to be very chic and sophisticated. Because I think there's I think part of a problem that a lot of people have when they're servicing clientele that is in that 14 to 21 age range is they think that they're kids and they want it to look like a 4th grade classroom, or something like like that. I think they want it to, but I think we underestimate
wanna
the
be kids.
sophistication that the young consumer has.
Yeah.
They appreciate a high-end
Yeah.
experience. Not stuffy. It's not stuffy.
No.
But
No.
it is very sophisticated
Yeah,
and
exactly.
chic. It's very
That's
chic
what
and
it is.
fancy.
That's what
and
it is.
We wanted
It
to
is a
have that feeling.
destination store. It gives you a feel.
Yeah.
All right, so we're sitting outside at 8:30 at night, and I am sweating. So
Yeah.
we're gonna
Go
say
inside now.
okay, bye.
Okay, bye.
Okay, bye.